Why don't you want me petting you? I'm gonna hold my phone with my other hand. There we go. Actually, it's a different position, the same hand. You're still purring. You are still purring. Oh, do you want to play now? Okay, where can I set my phone up? I'm just gonna hold it like that. Okay, come on, play. Take your tail. Take it. Dang it.